and welcome to another episode of Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to unbox a Tribest DYNAPRO commercial vacuum blender. A few weeks ago, my Vitamix blender decided to give out. It was probably time. We've had it over 10 years, so we decided to get rid of that and get a new model blender. So off I was to the internet and I did a lot of searching, and I came upon a site called discountjuicers.com, which is run by a John Kohler, and he has a lot of blenders there, and he does a video on each blender going very in-depth into what the pros and cons are of each blender. And I had it down to 2 blenders. But then I decided on the Tribest DYNAPRO because, number one, it has a 15-year warranty on all the parts, on the motor, on all the accessories, and the vacuum part too. None of the other blenders even could come close to that warranty. And then another good reason I got this is, I think if I measured correctly, the total assembly of the blender will fit underneath my kitchen cupboards. And we also have the Slow Start juicer, which we got from discountjuicers.com, and we were very happy with that. We did have a problem where a piece did crack, and that had a 15-year warranty. We simply called the company, and very quickly they mailed us a second piece. So we are very happy with this company. This blender is a little bit more than some of the other blenders on his site, but we thought it was well worth it just for the 15-year warranty alone. I did luck into a Black Friday special, so I did get about $100 knocked off this blender. Let's see what we got. First, we got a smoothie cookbook. My husband will really like that. He usually has a smoothie every morning. Then the direction book, which we're going to try it without the directions first to see how intuitive it is and how well I was paying attention when John was showing us all the pieces there. Now I'm going to have to stand up for this part here. It's the motor. And they have a nice storage unit for the cord underneath. I'll probably just pop out what I need to reach the wall, and then the rest can stay right where it is. Okay, let's see what else is in here. This can help push the ingredients down into the blades, and it has this little safety feature so that you can't put the scoop down actually onto the blades. Oh, I forgot about this. They put in extra gaskets, so if your gaskets wear out, you'll have one immediately. And here's the vacuum pump. The one thing that I didn't like about this vacuum pump is it's run only by batteries. One of the other blenders that was on the site actually had a plug, and that's the other one that I was really thinking about. But as I said, the warranty, you just can't beat it. So we remove that, and then now for the jug. Starting with the top. And here you go. The one thing John really likes, because he is a raw foodist, is this little star. If your food inside the blender gets over 118 degrees, this star will turn white. And so you can judge the amount of heat in your food by that star. And then the top. And here you go. Fits on just like that. And then, I guess it doesn't matter how you just put it. You just put that there, and then it will form a seal. Oop, there it goes. And we don't need a seal there, and then, whew, it works. Wonderful. Now let's see, somehow you take this middle section out. Let's see. I might have to do the directions. I don't want to break it. Oh, there we go. The whole thing pops out. And then if you just want to use it as a regular blender, you can just press that down, and you can see there it doesn't touch the blades. So yeah, this is a lot shorter than my Vitamix. I don't want to say a lot, but it is shorter. And somehow it gets on there. I think I'm just at a wrong position. There we go. So there you have it. Okay, time to test it out. I have the ingredients for my husband's smoothie in the blender. So now we're going to put the vacuum on top. And a mistake that's commonly made is you don't have it down the whole way, so make sure it lines up and is situated the whole way. And we're going to time how long it takes to pull a vacuum here. So let's see if I can press these about the same time. Ready? Go. There's a light on top that indicates when the vacuum is running, and it will go out automatically when the machine stops. There we go. So that took about 45 seconds. If you have less in the machine, my gosh, that is on there solid. There we go. If you have less in the machine, it's going to take a little longer. If you have more in the machine, of course, you're going to have less air, so that will take a little less time. So now we're going to turn the machine on, and I'm going to push this down. There we go. Press it on. Looks like it's mixed well enough. Okay, to unseal or to stop the vacuum, all you do is you pull up on this tab, and then you should be able to hear the air gush back in. There you go. It's a very tight seal. And here's the smoothie. I really like how wide the container is, and the spout on the container is very nice too. It makes my pouring job a little bit easier. Yep, it's really good. I highly recommend smoothie in a DYNAPRO. Thank you for joining me today with the unboxing of the Tribest DYNAPRO Commercial Vacuum Blender. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Be healthy and keep on cooking.